What's going on, people? Jonathan Barbecue here. Today we're making Tri-Tip Teriyaki Bowls on the all-new Oklahoma Joe's Rider DLX 1200. Let's get into it. All right, so let's talk about our protein. Tri-Tip is one of my favorite cuts, and what we did was we took our Tri-Tip, we trimmed it up, and then we marinated this overnight in teriyaki sauce. So now that we got this marinated overnight, we're just gonna hit it with a good amount of salt, as well as some coarse black pepper. Get that texture on there. Flip it over and we'll do the same. Once again, a good amount of salt, that coarse black pepper. The teriyaki sauce that we marinated this overnight in is gonna do the rest of the job for us. So let's go ahead and get this on the grill. We're gonna lock in the Rider DLX at 250 degrees. There's an all-new pit control system on this, so the accuracy of your temperatures is on the money. I love how well this does when it comes to, you know, raising the temperature or dropping it. So let's go ahead, get our Tri-Tip on, just like that. We'll get that shut down. The Rider DLX actually comes with temperature probes, so that way you can keep an eye on how things are cooking up. We'll put it right through this hole here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this thermometer in the thickest part of the meat. That way we can get a good read on where our Tri-Tip is sitting. And I'm rolling with charcoal pellets today. The new Auger system's amazing too, man. They've doubled the torque, so this is gonna run through anything you throw at it. Auger jams is a thing of the past. It's gonna blast right through them. Now, while we're smoking our Tri-Tip, that's a good opportunity for you to go ahead and start prepping up your veggies. So we got our carrots, we got our green onion. Let's go ahead and just chop up some of this purple cabbage here. This is gonna be a really nice, colorful dish. You also wanna make sure that you got some sesame seeds available as well. Our temperature probe is reading 120. I think it's a good time to go ahead, pull this off. We'll throw this in the SEAR mode and then get ready to finish off our Tri-Tip. So let's open this up. We'll remove that temperature probe out of there. Go ahead, we'll put this to the side. You can literally go from smoke mode to SEAR mode just like that. So we'll let this get hot and then we'll go ahead and sear off our Tri-Tip. And this don't take a long time to get up to temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to 500. You can go as low as 200 on this and all the way up to like 650 degrees. So 500 is a good spot to get that final sear on it, and we'll go from there. And just a few minutes later, we're already ready to go. Just gonna place this right over that direct heat. And we only need a couple minutes aside to get the job done. Let's give this a little flip. Beautiful. You see those Oklahoma Joe's honeycomb grill marks? That's how you know you in the right territory. Get ready to pull that off. Look at that right there. That overnight marinade as well as the salt and pepper just makes for an awesome piece of Tri-Tip. All right, meat's been resting 15 minutes. See how we're looking here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gonna take a few thin slices here for our bowls. Look at that. I gotta get one little taste. That's good. Let's make some bowls. Start with some carrots. Purple cabbage. Carrots and the purple cabbage are going to give us all the texture we need. Let's go ahead and just layer in our Tri-Tip as well, just like that. And I like a lot of meat, so I'm gonna go over the top of that. Then we got our green onions. Just get that all over. Garnish it with the green onions there. Hit them with some extra teriyaki sauce over the top here. And then last but not least, can't forget about the sesame seeds. There you have it, Tri-Tip Teriyaki Bowls, straight off of the Rider DLX 1200. Don't get much better than that.